Hello guys! Hello mga kachararat! For today's vlog, I'll be unboxing again a new gift for myself. And what's inside this big paper bag? Now you know the brand. It's Adidas. So, I'll be unboxing again another gift ko sa sarili ko for working hard amidst this pandemic, so I still have the chance to go shopping for myself. So this is it. Um, what's inside this box again? So you know already the brand. It's Adidas. So parang hindi ako parang ah, hindi ako buang sa shoes. Shoes. Yeah, this is shoes, guys. And what does it look like? Ta-dang! This is it, guys. This is it. I don't know the name of this. Let me check this one. So, I'm gonna put it here. Makita ko siya. Tapos, i-ano natin kung ano to. So, let me check. So, this is the shoes. So, it's Adidas ZX8000 out there. So this is the picture of the shoes. So they have extra pocket for the shoelace. Yeah, this is one. And the color of this is orange. So this is it. And Adidas Torsion. Adidas Torsion. This one. Let me, no, this one. Torsion. ZX8000. This is made in Vietnam. And my size is US is 7.5. UK is 7. So this is the picture. Look at the, yeah, there is an extra thing. And I like the color. It's black and a camouflage. So of course, this one thing I like. Extra pocket, so I can use. It can be used as a coin purse. Yeah, and I like it. And yeah, this is it. This is the pair, guys. So let me, yeah, and it's so nice. And look at this one, New York. This one, and another. The name of the shoes, Torsion, Adidas. So yeah, this is the pair of shoes. And aside from that, guys, I have also extra lace color brown, which also fits in the color of the shoes. It's black and this one brown. And aside from that, there's also extra name tag. I think it's name tag, Los Angeles in 1989. I think it was discovered or made last 1989. I'm not sure. And also this one, 1907. I don't know this thing, but it's free for these shoes, so I can change this tag. I can pull it off and put Los Angeles in this one. It's a very nice shoes. It's very nice look. Yeah. So I think the color of the lace is the same with Los Angeles. So I think I'm gonna use New York. If I will use this brown lace, because look at the color. It's the same brown. And this one, I think this is carnation or milky color, so it fits with the lace. So I'm gonna remove this one, this small packet, so that I can use this as a coin purse. I think, yeah, I can use this one. Can remove. And actually, this is 50% off. So I bought the original price is 409 dirhams, and I bought it like 299. Yeah. So it's a very nice shoes, guys. So I think I'm addicted with shoes because I have a lot. I mean, I have a lot of pairs of shoes. So, but I cannot use this at work because it's against IC protocol. So I will just use this when I will go out or attend a party, so that it's very nice, guys. Yeah, I really love the color of these shoes. That's why I bought this, and it's discounted shoes. And of course, I love the brand Adidas. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah, I removed this one, so I can use as a coin purse. And it's very nice. So yeah, look inside. Yeah, it's inside this, and this is my size. Made in Vietnam. Pulido talaga siya, guys. Pulido yung paggawa niya. Look at the thread inside. I really love the design. So I can also put another tag here, like this one, 1989. Yeah. Also, the color fits also with the lace. And or I can change also this one. Yeah, it's also fit the color with the lace and the shoes. Yeah. So look at the shoes. The picture of the shoes, it's so nice. This is the right foot, and this is the left foot. Look at. This is the name of the shoes. Torsion. Adidas Torsion. So I'm gonna use this maybe tomorrow. I'll be going to Dubai tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna use this one for the first time. And let's see if it's comfortable to walk or to run or to jog. Look at the bottom side of the shoes, it's so nice. Yeah. So again, this is another gift for myself for working hard uh, in this pandemic. So just love yourself and enjoy life to the fullest. Don't deprive yourself to things you want because we only live once. So if you like that shoes or that thing, you can buy it as long as you have money to buy it. But if you don't have, then save. If not, then move on. Just enjoy life. There's also a name at the bottom, Torsion. So yeah, it's so pulido talaga. I think it's so strong. I mean, yeah, I like the design. I really like the design, especially this one, camouflage. It's like an army color. I like it, guys. I really love it. Yeah. So I cannot wait to wear this one and show to the world that I have a happy Pete. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you don't forget to subscribe, like, and share and comment about this video, or if you have some suggestion for my next video, just comment below. And again, this is Giovz Travels saying, "Chararat, meow, meow, out! Peace. Spread love and kindness. I love you all. Bye."